Good day to everyone. I'm Ma'am Jovi. This video talks about converting string into integer using parsed int method in Java. The parsed int method is a method of integer class under Java.EE package. There are three different types of Java integer parsed int methods, which can be differentiated depending on its parameter. The first one, the parsed int method with one parameter. The parameter here is string. The second one, the parsed int method with two parameters. The first parameter is string followed by an integer. And the third parsed int method has four parameters. In this demonstration, I will be focusing only on the first method in which it contains one parameter. Okay, so I am going to demonstrate how to use the parsed int method. Let's take a look at this one. So I have here is a num variable. Okay, of course, the data type is string. So this source code, I had a separate video discussing the buffer reader class. But for the meantime, just take a look at this because there is a separate video unpacking this buffer reader class. So this line of code prompts the user to enter a number. And after entering a number, any value that is being entered will be stored on the num variable, after which this line converts the string input into an integer using the parsed int method. So I am just assigning that the variable num is now holding whatever data that is being converted here. So where did I get num? This one is the variable that stores whatever the user had entered. Okay, and this line, of course, displays the value. Okay, let's try to run this. So we'll be using Java. The class name is parseIntDemo, parseIntDemo.java. And then there you go. We're going to run the program parseIntDemo. There you go. So as you can see here, I did not use ln because I want that right after the text I am going to encode the number. So same line means it has no new line. That's why I use here system.out.print. So if I'm going to type 89, there you go, it displays 89. Okay, now I am going to customize the program because I want to show you guys the function of the parseInt method. Now, I'm going to let the user input another string value, another value rather. So we'll be using, so that you will not be confused, I'll be using num2, and then I'll be copying this, after which modify, just modify. So enter the user to enter the second number, enter the second number. Okay, I'll be using this as num2 because this one is a num2. After which, I'm going to copy this and then display it here. The second value, the second value entered is, okay, let's see. I will not convert it yet because I want to show you guys what will happen. Okay, I am just displaying it here. And then on the next line, let's try to add without converting the second value. And let's see what will happen. Okay, so let's just put my num, the variable my num plus num2. And let's see what will happen. Okay, let us save this one, rerun the program. Let's rerun the program. Okay, so enter the number. So I have 34 and the second number, let's say 80. Okay, so 34 and 80. What happened is that the program concats the value of the first variable and the second variable. The first one is an integer variable. However, the second one is a string variable because I did not convert it yet. So what it does is it's just concatenate or join the two values. And now let us modify the program. I'm going to convert this into an integer. So I'll just copy this and then there you go, my num2. And then let's use this in 2 because this one is the my num2. Instead of my num, I am going to use my num2. Okay? And then let's see what's the difference. Okay, we are now going to save it first. Save and then run the program. Let's run the program. Compile first and then run it. Okay, so I'm going to enter the same number. So 80 and the second one I enter is 34, right? There you go. So it already displays the sum. Let us just modify this instead of enter the first number. I'll just put this the first. Okay, so let's rerun it again. Let's enter another value just to show you guys the function of the parseInt method in Java. So let's display the output. Let's enter another value. Let's say 100. First value. I enter again 56. So it must be 156. There you go. Our program is correct. I hope this one would be very clear on your part. Okay. If this video helps you, please click like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Shout out to my J11 Acacia students. See ya!